it's over 2 years since I um, went to the GP here in Edinburgh and went through the screening process and was referred to the neurodiversity specialist at the um, with NHS Lothian, and I'm still waiting. The only contact that I've had has been a letter to confirm whether I still want to be on the waiting list, which I do. Um, but in the interim, my situation's become more difficult. It's impacting my work and personal life to such a degree that I had to ask for parental support financially to go through the process of obtaining the formal diagnosis on a private basis with ADHD Scotland in Glasgow. Something that did happen and has pushed me further along as prospective diagnosis for autism, which again NHS Lothian have not engaged fully on. Having completed a course of psychotherapy over COVID, over the pandemic, the recommendation of that specialist, NHS specialist, was that I was reassessed, and I've been bumped from that waiting list twice.